For decades, Corvette has provided exhilarating, approachable performance to anyone that has access to a Chevrolet dealer. You might say the storied brand has done it all. It's the flagship for today's General Motors company. This top-flight Chevy's curvaceous body was massaged back to life during a thorough body-off restoration. Like most first-gens, the car was originally assembled at GM's new for 1954 St. Louis manufacturing facility. And like most restored first-gens, its fit and finish presents much better now than it did then. And today, layered in a rich combination of black and silver, the car rolls as one spectacular classic that's superbly detailed. In keeping with the rest of the high-quality restoration, interior outfitting is both purposeful and enduring. Stylish gauges and a Wonder bar radio look great decorating Chevrolet's famous dual-cowl dash. A petite chrome shifter is as handsome as it is stylish, and a speed-drilled steering wheel spins a glossy red rim. Tilt the hood and you'll find a 283 cubic inch dual-quad V8. That stout small block is bolted to a Borg Warner 4-speed manual and spins a correct rear end. Combining high-quality restoration with acute detailing, this investment-grade Corvette is one of the best classics money can buy. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.